Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today I'm going to be doing a very special unboxing, you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you the Spring Beauty Box from Look Good, Feel Good. This is a company that I love. It's actually, I wouldn't call it a company. It's a nonprofit organization. They do a lot of good and they create a beauty box every once in a while. It's a limited edition treat and these boxes go on to help fund their future workshops. Now I'm going to explain all of that to you guys in this video today of how it works, but I have with me their latest spring box. It's very large, mind you. I mean, like, this is 3 times the size of the last box that they put out. So I'm very pleased with this, but I cannot wait to get in this and show you guys all of the products and to tell you more about this company. So let's go ahead and get started and check it all out. Now, this particular box that I'm going to share with you guys has currently sold out already. However, I noticed on their website that they do create these limited edition boxes several times throughout the year. So I will be giving you guys updates every time they launch a new one. I'm definitely going to be posting that here on YouTube for you guys on the community page. I did post up an alert when this first went live. I basically begged you guys to go check it out at least and just to read on it. But I do know several of you did purchase this box in support as well. So thank you for that. I am so excited that we can help to support them also. But if they come out with future boxes, which I imagine they will, I'll definitely be posting about that here on YouTube and also on Instagram as well. So stay tuned for future boxes. This company is set up, like I said, as a nonprofit organization where they will help those that are undergoing cancer treatments or are in recovery. And the whole mission is they want any of those patients to feel their best and to look their best, which is henceforth their name. The workshops that they create will be all volunteer based around the country. And at these workshops, they will bring in like hairdressers and they'll have MUAs and makeup artists that will come in and will do all of this for free, donating their time, showing how to look your best and feel your best while undergoing these treatments. And that is where these boxes come into play. So there will be several different beauty products inside of this box, and those brands will donate these products in here. And then we have the opportunity to purchase the box. So not only will we receive these great items, but also 100% of the proceeds from these boxes sold go to support those workshops. Now they are volunteer based and many will donate their time. However, the products used at these workshops still need to be provided. And that is what these beauty boxes are funding. So this particular box retailed for $69.95. It's a little bit more than the last box that I opened up, but we also are going to receive more products in this one compared to the last one also. I mean, like I said, this box is like 3 times larger than what I saw in the previous box. But it's great because, like I said, we're going to get some fantastic products, but we're also helping to support these workshops, and that helps so many other people as well. So if you guys would like to look into the company, learn more about them, their workshops, anything, I'll post all of that down below for you. I know that was a lot of info, but I've really wanted to share all of that with you guys. So now we're going to go ahead and check out the products inside of the box. So the first item that I have in here is from Tula Skincare. This is the full-size Cult Classic Cleanser. This cleanser is amazing. It is so gentle, so soft. It will not strip your skin, but it's still going to remove any makeup or dirt or impurities that you might have on your skin. But it's also filled with probiotics and vitamins, so all good nutrients for your skin as well. But this is a full-size bottle, you guys. It's also cruelty-free, which is another thing that I love, but that's great. Next item is from Clarins, which again, very nice brand. And this might be full size. It says 15 mil. It's called their Instant Smooth. This will help to get rid of, or smooth rather, it will smooth wrinkles out and fine lines and help to blur any texture that you might have. So you could put this on as a standalone product, or you can put it on before makeup and then apply your makeup over top, and it will help to blur and smooth out any lines that you might have. So this is kind of one of those age reversal products is what I would label it as. But this is your glass jar, and then inside you get your cream. It kind of looks like a rose. Isn't that cool how that looks? Ha! I wasn't expecting that, but that's really pretty. Next up, we have a pillow spray. So this is a Tranquility pillow spray that's scented with lavender oil. It's called Sweet Dreams by Lunette Shop. So this is what your bottle will look like. It is just clear, and then it's got your mister up at the top. You can actually spritz this onto your pillows or your sheets or wherever it is. You could probably do even like a room spray or your clothing items, but then it will give you the scent of lavender, and lavender is a very calming scent naturally. So if you spritz this on right before bed, it should help in a natural way to put you to sleep. So this is a great full-size item to have in our box. Also, it's perfect for spring because that's the theme of this box. Next up, we have the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. This is a full-size product, and this lip oil has 8 essential nutrients for your lips. The shade that we have here is Crush It Coral. Now, I have used Yensa's products before, and their lip oils are by far the best products that they make. They're so good. They're very hydrating, but you also get beautiful shades. This one is gorgeous for spring. I'm so excited that they gave us this really beautiful color. So I'll do a swatch here, that way you guys can kind of see what this oil looks like. But it's not sticky at all, and it's not a thick formula either. So you can put this down for a great pop of pink color on there, but you're still gonna get that gorgeous shine, and it's gonna be good for your lips as well. Next item is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is their mascara. So we have the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. It's in the shade Black, full size. This is a volumizing mascara that we have here. I love this. I'm noticing that you're getting a little bit of everything in the beauty routine. Like, we've got our cleanser and the mascara, and like, do you know what I mean? It's just not all the same products, which I love. But this is full size for this one. And here's a peek at our wand. I love when they have those shorter fibers because it will really get that lower lash line. You can get really close in there without poking your eye, because sometimes when the fibers are really long, that's what's hitting your eyeball sometimes. Sometimes I just accidentally jam it in there because I'm not paying attention. But I kind of like that when you've got those shorter hairs, it's easier to get because of the wand that they have on here. Okay, moving on. We have a product from Olaplex. This is their number 6 product. It is a bond smoother. Olaplex is a hair care company, and they're really, really good. In my opinion, this would be the next best thing to salon grade products, because you can buy these at, I think Ulta's the one that carries this. Maybe it's Sephora, but I know you can buy them in person. And this one will help to take down any frizz that you might have, and it's also going to repair and strengthen your hair. So this is that bond smoother. So it makes it smooth and makes it stronger after using this. Our next product in here is the serum from Shiseido. I always mess this up, and you guys tell me and then I forget, but this is 10 ml. So this is just our sample sized product. However, this serum is really popular. I feel like it's just been growing in popularity because it works so incredibly well. So even though there's not a ton in here, it's 10 ml of product, I do think there's enough there for you to try it out and see if you really like it. But it is a really great serum. This will help to take down fine lines and wrinkles. It's also got good ingredients in here. So there's glycerin. They additionally are going to have rose water in here. There is other seed oils as well. There's geranium. There's citronella even in this. So there's a lot of great oils and extracts. So it's a natural plant-based product. They do have a few other ingredients in there too, like water and things like that. But overall, it's a fairly clean beauty product. We also have a product from Bare Minerals. Oh, this is their setting powder. It's really good, you guys. This product I have used so many times, you guys. It's a great mineral setting product. I love it. So this one is going to be a weightless powder. It's a mineral veil. The shade that we have here is translucent. They do make this in different shades if you'd like to have a tint to it, or if you want to do color correcting, they have that option. You can get these at Ulta, and this particular one in the box is a full-size compact powder. You can put this on over top of your makeup, set it in. You can also blot out any oils that you might have. If anything's coming through throughout the day, like sweat or anything like that, just open up your compact, put a little bit of powder on. You won't even see it, but it will help to remove those oils and kind of dry everything out for you. So there is a mirror, and then right down below, you can lift this compact up, and they're going to have a little powder puff inside of the bottom here. So that way you can take the whole thing with you when you're out, and then you can do a quick touch up. This box has got killer brands in it, you guys, and great products. Like, these are tried and true products, which I really appreciate. Like the Tula cleanser has been around for a while. There's a reason why it's called the Cult Classic. The Bare Minerals Veil has been around for a very long time. It works wonderfully. The mascara. So I like that these are tried and true, and they're great brands. They're full size. I mean, what more do you want in a box? Now, the last item inside of this box is a full-size perfume from Dior, you guys. I mean, what? So they did this last time in the box. We got Burberry, I believe it was. It was a full-size fragrance, and I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe, I mean, that paid the entire box. And I would imagine that this perfume just paid for my entire box here as well. So this is the Joy Scented Perfume. It's 50 ml, 1.7 ounces. Like I said, it is a full-size bottle, completely sealed in here as well. Oh my gosh, like holy bananas. You want to talk about an amazing deal? This is an amazing deal. So that is everything inside of my Look Good, Feel Good box for spring. We received a total of 8 items inside of this box for $69.95, you guys. I mean, what a steal. So like I said, I would have supported this no matter what was inside of this box. However, because I open a lot of beauty boxes here on YouTube, I can tell you this is an amazing deal, and you're doing a lot of good on top of that. But to get full-size products, name brand products that we know work, these aren't off brands, they're not, you know, dollar store brands. These are great quality items that you can find at Sephora and Ulta, and they're gonna cost you a fortune more than $69.95. So I love this box 100%. I cannot wait to see the next boxes that they put out. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of the future boxes, I will be letting you know here on my community page, so make sure you guys are checking that. I'm sure it will be a couple months before they have another one out, but I will let you know as soon as I know. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!